Welcome to what I'm calling the cotton build. I'll get into why I'm calling it the cotton build later on, but I'm gonna go back through and show you the beginning state of this frame and the original cab that was on it. I started this project before I started posting YouTube videos, and so a lot of it's pictures. I think I may have a few videos in it, but now that I've started doing some more YouTube stuff, I'm sure you've seen this thing sitting in the background. Haven't really been working on it much. It's kind of a bigger, daunting project, so I've been trying to knock out some smaller stuff. Anybody that works on something will kind of know what I'm talking about, but it's time to get this thing finished up. I need to work on it and get it out of the shop so I can get some more stuff. But this is kind of the intro to this cotton build. It's a Squarebody pickup truck. It's originally a single cab, long bed. This one was a 1978 GMC Sierra 2500, and the cab and the bed, pretty much the whole body was kind of rotten on it, but the frame itself was in good shape. It's a four-wheel drive truck. It's a 4-speed with the granny low gear. It's got a small block 350 in it. I bought it from an older guy out kind of like Western Virginia, and he, I believe, if I remember correct, it's been a while, he put a crate GM motor in it, and then took all the original accessories off, the intake off, all of that from the original motor, and put onto this crate long block, I guess is what he bought. But he said it only had about 30,000 miles on it, and then he parked it because it wouldn't pass inspection because of the rust. So that's when I bought it. I had a little bit of fun with it. I did a bean field race, which if you don't know what that is, I'll plug it in right here. And I trailered it up there because it wasn't really inspectable, but it was still fun. I had a good time in it. So I had this old blue Squarebody pickup truck, which was a 1980, but it was also a 3/4 ton, but 2-wheel drive, so a C20. And I bought that one from a guy that is here local in town. The truck kind of originated on a farm, I believe. It only has like 40,000 miles on the odometer, but it was a farm truck. So it's got a lot of working hours on it, but not as many miles. It's also single cab, long bed, basically the exact same truck, but Chevrolet, and 2-wheel drive, 4-speed with the granny gear. The body on that one is not perfect, but it's in much better shape. And instead of swapping all of the drivetrain over to this C20, the blue truck, my idea was to fix this frame up, get it in good shape, and then take the body off of this 1980 blue truck. That's kind of what this whole project's about. I'll kind of jump back here and show you what I did before I was filming, so bear with the pictures, but this is kind of the process to where it is today, and then we'll get into, probably on the next video, because it's a lot of information to catch up on, we'll get to, I'm starting to build it back up now. So enjoy the video, and I'll catch back up with you once you go through the history of this thing.